Welcome back to the channel. Here's Trader Jan speaking. We are reviewing the day trading performance on the 26th of November. We have our standard charts open here. We can see on the daily charts right here, the market was long on the day. In the market preparation, we said, okay, something which is very critical here is that the market breaks that part, and then once it breaks it, it can go further, or if it doesn't break it, then it might go down. And then we look for shorts, or here we look for longs. So it turned out to be a long day. And as we can see here, this is that day. And it actually opened up, went higher, and a little bit consolidation, and then higher. So it is 300 ticks. In order to see our locations here, let's compare our locations. So the date started here, the market went up to our location. So that would have been a nice trade towards our location. And then it went up and choppy a little bit here. And then it went through, didn't quite reach that location here. So if you would have bet, that's a long way here, right? From here to here. But it actually, this little tiny location here, this is actually it came back here. So wasn't too wrong here. But why the market didn't go there? No clue yet, but let's mark that one. There's some kind of reason why we didn't go there. And let's mark that area here as well, because the market went, as you can see here, the market went up here and down, and then up, and then down, and then here. So this is a location here. This is the location where the market got stopped and the move was over. So looking at the 15 minutes chart in terms of location review, we started the day here. Okay, could have traded here a little bit choppy, up and down, up and down. Then here what we could do, I'm not sure if I have enough history here in that chart. Oh yes, I have. And what do we see here? The market, when it went up here, it got actually stopped out, or stopped in the move exactly where liquidity was here on the previous, on one of the previous days, which was the 11th of November. So this, we should have defined that one here as a location and not so much the one above. Anyhow, a little learning. And here, why this one here? There was no liquidity here, no here. That's one of those mistakes in the area of trading. Nothing is really necessarily absolutely logical, but the market somehow got stopped out here and then went further. So let's go to our beloved trade reviews. We go into the 500 tick charts and we look at that very day. Let me activate the trades here. As we can see, I traded at the beginning of the day. This time here is Chicago time. I'm sitting in Asia, so if Chicago has in the evening 5 o'clock, we have 7 o'clock in the morning. So nice start of the trading, but it's much slower. Like here, my trades happened in a time frame of 13 hours. Is that true? Until 6 o'clock in the morning. So I was trading a little bit here at 6 p.m. and then on and off and on and off, and then a little bit here. Yeah. Okay. Those were a little, let's say, strange trades. Okay, interesting. I did. Wow. Okay. Quite some weird trades here. I guess it was more gambling. Because to be honest, I didn't do the market analysis at that time. I was trading, but didn't do the market analysis. And now I see here why I should have done it and why I should have listened to those market analysis, because they just give you a battlefield and about what you can do. That's the biggest learning. Now, I didn't do the market analysis because I was working on this indicator, or not the indicators, like more like a market map, which is based on actual liquidity, actual trades and volume. The market map is similar like Bookmap, but Bookmap is based on passive market participants with their limit orders in the book. That's why it's called Bookmap. I call it market map because that is the actual liquidity which flew where actual trades happened, and not intentions or any kind of dreams or whatever, or market manipulations, but actual trades. And that's what I was able to do, and I do my market analysis based on that. And so far, it seemed to have worked quite well. As a summary, for the 26th of November, I traded on 3 accounts. I traded on the demo account, evaluation account, and the funded account. And I finished the day with 129 ticks in plus, on the demo account with 7 ticks, on the evaluation account 69 ticks, and on the funded account with 53 ticks. Yes, funded accounts with 53 ticks, and they are spread over the ES market and NQ, so S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Here you can see I did longs here. I did a short trade here, successful 6 trades. This one here, okay, I zoomed in quite a bit here, just 55 ticks. Okay, so not too bad. I was playing around with some different techniques to scalp. I think that was the day where I really got into the scalping mode. And did I have other trades in the day, or just those ones at the beginning? No, just those ones at the beginning. So the result of that one is 129 ticks plus for my account. So I happily noticed that the past days, since the 18th of November, I have been profitable on demo account, evaluation account, and funded account, so not with my own money. But at least I'm not too unhappy about that one, that some consistency might be lurking at the end of the tunnel. That concludes the review of the day on the 26th of November. See you at the trading floor.